Ur-Lisak.
Alright, Lisa. Alright. One hit down.
Oh, typical! It warms my Caragor blood to know that I get to kill you once again. Typical!
Jesus, bro, he just breathed on me. There we go. Let's ride him around a bit. God, bro, he keeps burping on me. Fuck you. What the fuck? Oh, I poisoned him.
My Caragor blood cries out for your death.
Fuck you.
Were you on a roll there?
Jesus! Fuck, dude! This guy's tougher than he looks.
Is that 3 times I've killed you, or 2?
I don't know.
I should be writing it down.